Organizations are finding it increasingly difficult to protect users from malware. This demo will show how you can use a WebSafe malware detection feature to detect even the most advanced malware threats without impacting users. For this demo, we are using a client machine that's infected with the latest variant of the remote access Trojan. We will also use our demo bank site. We have turned on the malware detection feature of WebSafe for the login page. Our user, unaware that this PC is infected with a Trojan, logs into the demo bank application. He looks at his transaction summary and immediately logs out. That's all it took. The Trojan steals the user's credentials and sends them to the fraudster. This is a command and control center for this Trojan, and you can clearly see that the fraudster now has our user's credentials. Let's take a look at the WebSafe alert dashboard. WebSafe detected a generic Trojan on user's machine when they logged into their bank. There are few details that are worth paying attention to. First, the Trojan was detected when our user opened the login page in his browser. But WebSafe can detect this Trojan without our user even logging in. Second, the alert gives you additional intelligence, like the IP address of the end user, the browser fingerprint, and other details that can easily be sent to third-party SIEM such as Splunk, IBM QRadar, etc., and other systems in your infrastructure. We know that the fraudster has our user's credentials. This fraudster also knows our user's bank is using multi-factor authentication that will ask them for additional authentication, such as out-of-band SMS, if they log in from an unknown device. To get past this additional authentication, the fraudster uses the Trojan's remote access capability to remotely log in to our user's machine and complete the financial transaction. Let's take a look at how this works. First, the fraudster establishes a remote session using a standard virtual network computing client. The fraudster then logs into the bank and makes a cash transfer to a mule account. One key thing to notice is our user can't see this remote access session. Even if they are working on their computer, they won't notice anything is amiss. Let's go back to the alert dashboard. As you can see, WebSafe detected this remote access Trojan and posted an alert. As you have seen in this demo, WebSafe can detect both generic and targeted malware without impacting users.